Biscoff Cookie Butter, another excellent peanut-free choice to pack for your kids' school lunches. Hella expensive in the store. Like, I paid $7 for this tiny jar at the store that only has 360 grams, I think, of Biscoff butter, and then I made almost a liter of this cookie butter for only $6.15. So you're not only getting double the amount of cookie butter when you make it yourself at home than you do when you buy it in the store, but anything that you make at home always tastes so much better than what you buy at the store. Now, I made my own homemade Biscoff cookies for this recipe, but you certainly don't have to. You can buy it from the store. But if you do decide to make it yourself, very simple, very easy recipe, and it only costed $4.70 for one batch of cookies. So you can compare that to your store-bought cookie price. Yeah, other than that, you just need 5 simple ingredients. The recipe will be listed below. You blend it up together in your blender, and then you place it in your fridge. Good to go. Thanks for watching.